Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where other account usernames are not displaying on the login screen, only your account is showing, then please watch this video. Now, first of all, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the accounts tab and then scroll down and check if there are other users here, because in my case there are none. If I am the only user, then the only user that will be showing in the list is me. So if you want to add more users, then you have to do that first. And if you have added users, if it is showing in the list but it doesn't show on the login screen, then I have a command. I have mentioned it in the description section of the video. Simply copy it, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator and click on yes, paste it here and hit enter. And this will fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.